shouldn't take more than a minute, honestly. Where are you guys from?
So thank you again for being here, and please enjoy your visit. Take care. Greetings. It is my honor to welcome you to the USA Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. This pavilion is a celebration of what I call American aspiration. In the United States of America, we not only dream, we take pride in what we do. We not only see what has been, we take pride in seeing what can be. So here you will have the opportunity to learn about American innovators, past and present, and to explore what is to come. The path of the future. Greetings. It is my honor to welcome you to the USA Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. This pavilion is a celebration of what I call American aspiration. In the United States
and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor,
We're chilling. Okay. Hello, welcome. Just three? Okay, perfect. 1 second, please. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. You're right ahead.
Inventor and diplomat.
Welcome. Careful. Okay, go for it. One.
Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore. Homes and hands of people around the globe. Envisioned and developed by American dreamers, the internet makes it possible to share ideas far and wide, nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and palms of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream, to share, and to create. Invention depends upon bold ideas, unwavering ambition, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern world, bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon helped us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is. The digital age brought personal computer and the internet into the offices, homes, and hands of people around the globe. Envision and develop specific dreams. The internet makes it possible to to inspire even the youngest minds. They hold the promise of a brighter future, creating new and sustainable industries that mobilize society toward a better tomorrow. Always asking, what's next? Today, mobile technology impacts all aspects of our daily lives. The same tech that powers smart devices is put to use in ways that were not possible just 10 years ago. As the impact of the climate crisis is felt globally, understanding changing weather patterns and increasing temperatures is the job of expensive weather satellites. Or is it?
The goal of MANRAX is to use the harsh and unique environment of space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
We've announced the Starlab Research Center and will be the world's first commercial space research division, which is going to be looking at how you can take the harsh environment of space and use it to create microbes, bacteria, seeds that can help mitigate climate change in the driest regions of the Earth.
Earth and space are one ecosystem, really, and we are a part of each other, and so figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment in space is going to help us grow things in harsher environments here on Earth.
The next generation of engineers, scientists, and innovators are already working to benefit our world in meaningful ways. These young American leaders are not waiting to make their mark.
I was named Scientist of the Year for some of the work that I have done.
NASA's Artemis program will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, astronauts, and more, landing the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The Artemis program includes the establishment of both a base camp at the moon's south pole and the gateway outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the moon. And now, far beyond.
And they smoothed it down for the exhibit. It's normally not sharp.
Landed on the moon in 2004, where it was only expected to survive 90 days, but it ended up working for 14 years instead. So it's our most successful mission on Mars, which is why we have a display for you today. It eventually was retired due to a sandstorm covering the solar panels, causing it to run out of battery. And after that, the United States sent 2 more rovers to Mars. That's Curiosity and Perseverance. Both of them actually run on Neutron instead of solar power. On this screen, you actually see live where we are receiving and sending signal to and from Mars. So it looks like a touch screen, but it's not. We have our centers in Spain, the US, and Australia. So that way, as a replica of the Falcon 9 SpaceX rocket, you can get your passport stamped in the gift shop. If anyone is interested in studying in the United States, I do have a QR code over here. You